Hello, my name is Eric Amago from AVL. So I'm the coordinator of the project EVC 1000, and it's a pleasure for me to be there today, or at least to be virtually there today to present you this project for the ArtYear conference. So EVC 1000 in a nutshell. So EVC 1000 stands for electric vehicle component for 1000 kilometer, so daily trips. So this project has been started by January the 1st, 2019, and we have the chance to have 10 partners on board, having 2 car manufacturers with Audi and GAC, having industrial partners such as Tenneco, Brembo, Ideas in Motion, Elafe, AVL on board, and having 3 scientific partners with University of Zurich, Fraunhofer NAS, and Technical University of Ilmenau. EVC at a glance. So here, we have 2 targets in this project. So the first group of target is to develop a brand independent component for next generation electrified vehicle. So single component which is independent from a specific brand. And the second aspect is to intelligently connect and map this component together to perform concept and integration following cost, performance, and comfort target, and implementing these different technology into 2 vehicle demonstrators. So here our target is to showcase that those smart components, when intelligently integrated, do provide significant improvement in terms of e-mobility. So we have a different component for sure. So in-wheel motors, so supported by a centralized electric wheel drive, so dual inverters. And so we have brake barriers and active suspension components. So here our target is also to support the convergence of electrified powertrain and electrified chassis to be in the position to improve the vehicle as a whole. So a key aspect for sure will be the advanced and predictive control strategy, which are in the position to make the map between these different intelligent components. In terms of results, so first results, will be the innovative in-wheel powertrain. So here relying on efficient and high torque direct drive with the target to reduce the mass and volume footprint in the vehicle, therefore providing higher performance on one side, and providing more freedom for the planning of the vehicle structures. This in-wheel motor has been developed tightly close with an electric wheel dual drive inverter. So here, having the target to provide an inverter, providing dual drive and having the capability to tightly control the different in-wheel motors. So this dual inverter is integrating new components such as the Infineon RX multi-core platform, as well as silicon carbide technologies. Another aspect, while speaking about the convergence of powertrain and chassis, is related to advanced torque vectoring. So here, in terms of control strategy, we are developing advanced torque vectoring controller. So with the target to improve a longitudinal and lateral vehicle dynamic, roll dynamic, aerodynamics, as well as wheel rotation. And so an important aspect is here the suspension, or the active suspension in our case, in order to provide more degree of freedom and especially improve handling and as well as energy consumption. Another important advance in terms of the convergence between a chassis and powertrain is the advanced braking control. So here again, from the vehicle point of view, so we are developing advanced control strategy, especially with respect to wheel slip control and brake blending control. So with the target to significantly decrease the longitudinal jerk as well as the vehicle yaw rate. So again, so we are relying on advanced control strategy, and so the other part, the counterpart, on smart component, in this case, so brake-by-wire component, so that this very tight control can be performed. So here, having redundant brake control unit, so to process the request and control the braking torque, as well as corner component having for the front electro-hydraulic component, and for the rear as electromechanical component to generate the brake pressure. We have spoken about performances so far. Another aspect is topics of reliability, and so especially in this case, topics of predictive health monitoring. So here we have poor electronic components which needs to survive in a complex environment for the entire product lifetime. And so in order to better understand the health of the components, we have developed a strategy based on canary structures. So these canary structures are additional component or prognostic devices which are integrated on top of the PCB and provide information about the stress or the cumulative stress the platform has been confronted to, especially through this component and through the appropriate calibration of this component, so we can understand the effect of thermomechanical stresses, possibly vibrational stresses as well, how these prognostic devices will be then damaged in the long term, and then provide information on the PCB, what is the current status, what is the current health of the power electronics. So now moving to the entire system. So we have already planning these activities. We have developed simulation models. And these simulation models have been validated against real vehicles. And according to our simulation models, with the technology we are currently developing, we expect energy efficiency increase by 10%. So here being in general approximately 10% efficient, more efficient than a current vehicle. So this is our target, validated by simulation results. And this leads to the next steps. We are still have 15 months running for this project, and our target now will be to finalize the integration of the component into the vehicle, to finalize the control strategy, and to showcase that we indeed are in the position to achieve these targets. Collaboration and impact. So here we are very happy to collaborate with different initiatives, thinking about Evolve and collaboration with GV01 and GV02 related project. Very active for the organization of a special session at relevant scientific and industrial conferences, thinking about ICCVE, FISITA, SI World Congress. And important aspect for us as well is the clear mapping between the project outcomes and the partners, which has been validated through a business model, Canva. So I'm pretty sure you are highly excited to learn more about this very exciting project, and I would like to invite you to visit us on our website, to follow us on our LinkedIn account, to watch our project video, and to read more from us. Thank you very much.